Coaching illness and minimalism. Feelings of being overwhelmed are easy to come by once you start feeling unwell. Daily responsibilities fall by the wayside in exchange for self-care, and before long, it becomes overwhelming to cope. Has it ever felt to you that your life was coming apart at the seams? You've never experienced so much physical pain. You feel constantly tired. You barely have the strength or energy to get out of bed. And yet, there are responsibilities and obligations you still need to take care of. How do you cope?
This summarizes what many of us feel at the lowest point of our illness. So many tasks, such little energy. Worse still, time out of work can leave many of us who experience a major illness behind the financial 8 ball. Combine that with a reduction in mental clarity caused by certain medications, and what once felt part of the flow can become immensely overwhelming.
For Keith and I, we had double diagnosis to contend with. Energy was scarce. Add in 2 young children and, well, responsibilities were high. Without a tight support unit, we were in a sink or swim position. We needed clarity and to lighten our load as much as possible in order to survive and fight another day. I attribute much of this to simplifying our life by living minimally.
Often used synonymously with simple living, minimalism is a lifestyle based around avoiding excess and living with less. The lifestyle emphasizes simplicity and prioritizing, quality over quantity. I would recommend this as an option to at least know about for anyone whose life has been overwhelmed by illness. We have several more ideas we would like to share with you. Before doing so though, we ask if you could support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell.
This will ensure that the channel gets boosted in the YouTube algorithm and more people will be able to access the information. Now, back to the remaining ideas and suggestions.
Living minimally not only means owning less, it also means doing less. The less busy you are, the more it will benefit your physical health. However, many of us will be fighting social conditioning and narratives which we have lived with for a long time. In recent times, being busy has become a way of life. This is especially true in the Western world. It's often regarded as a sign of importance. Many may feel shamed or judged for not being busy. However, busyness can be emotionally and physically draining for those of us with major conditions. There are several sensible steps to becoming unbusy.
Number 1, realize that busyness is a social narrative. The importance of being busy is only something which has been constructed in the modern era and the Western world. In less westernized societies, busyness is not always viewed as a necessity. Just because it's a popular belief does not mean it's good for you. In fact, it will be counterproductive to improving your health.
Number 2, prioritize. Establish what is important. Ask yourself, how does it contribute towards your goals? What would it mean to miss out on doing those things? Then identify what is urgent. If you can classify an activity as both important and urgent, then it should take top priority. Anything else that is not important should be cancelled. Other activities which are not as urgent can be postponed.
Number 3, build a simple routine. This should be comprised of only a few important activities which you can repeat daily. A simple routine would allow you adequate time to rest and incorporate medical appointments when needed.
Number 4, modify activities. If there are obligations which you just cannot avoid, investigate ways to modify them in order to make them more manageable. For example, spend shorter amounts of time at social gatherings or arrange video conferences instead of going to meetups.
And finally, number 5, savor the small things. This means fully enjoying simple experiences like walking through nature or having a good conversation with a friend. Developing this capacity will enable you to appreciate less and not rely on abundance to find stimulation.
Following at least one of these suggestions can help you achieve the following 8 benefits. Number 1, conserve energy. Less rushing around and having more time for rest will help you to replenish your energy stores.
Number 2, reduce anxiety and stress. Overexerting yourself can also lead to feeling anxious or stressed. Simplifying your schedule will help to boost your emotional well-being.
Number 3, it's better for your health. Increasing your energy stores while reducing stress and anxiety will be good for your immune systems and help you become more physically resilient and healthy.
Number 4, connect more with others. Becoming unbusy and having more time on your hands can provide you with the opportunity for quality time with those who are closest to you.
Number 5 is confidence. Cancelling plans and learning to say no to other people comes from a proactive mindset. This will help you establish personal boundaries and build confidence in the meantime.
Flexibility for the unexpected. Let's face it, doctor's visits do come up unexpectedly sometimes. Being less busy will help you create a window in your schedule should your health require it.
And number 7, you'll save money. Most of the time, leaving the house involves some form of financial expenditure, even if it's only for a cup of coffee, let's say. Becoming less busy will keep you inside more and make it easy for you not to have to spend. We hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Did you like the ideas? Do you have any ideas of your own? Is there anything different which you would like to see us cover?
If you like what you heard, we ask you to support this channel by clicking the thumbs up on this video and hitting the subscribe button. Please also use the share button to pass this information around to anyone who may benefit from it.
Check out the written blog version of this video by clicking the link below and visiting our website. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter under Empower Illness Coaching. To find out more about who we are, feel free to visit the video about our illness journey.